Okay, hi everyone. Now let me share with you about hash index. So hash index is a metric that can measure your productivity and impact in a single number. So it is widely used as a metric to measure researchers or author impact. And as you know that it is available in Web of Science, Scopus, and also Google Scholar. And hash index basically is the number of paper represented by hash with a citation number equal or more than hash. So for example, a researcher with a hash index of 37, so meaning that he has 37 papers that being cited at least 37 times. So how do you find hash index? For example, in Scopus and Google Scholar. Let me show you example here. If you go to Scopus, so this is Scopus, you can simply go direct to authors, then you can type the name of the author. For example, let me give a try with Prof. Asma Ismail. Okay. Then you click search. So you can search your own name as well in order to find out about the hash index. Okay, for example, okay, this is Prof. Asma. So you just click on the name. So this is the detailed information about the author. And the hash index is available here. So meaning that Prof. Asma has 17 hash index. If I click this one, view hash graph, then they're going to show more detail about how they come up with this number. So as you can see from here, so Prof. Asma has 17 papers that receive 17 citation and above. If I go to the left hand side of the page, they're going to show which paper. First, they're going to rank according to the citation received from first paper, second paper, and the following one. Then they're going to stop at 17. So we need that paper number 17 in the list, according to the citation received, receive 17 citation. It goes the same if you go to Google Scholar. You can simply find out the hash index from here. So you go to Google Scholar, then you just type the author name. I'm looking for the same person, Prof. Asma Ismail. So this is the user profile. So you just click on the name. Then they're going to show you this one, and the hash index is available here on the right hand side of the page. So as you can see here, Prof. Asma has a 24 hash index, indicate that she has 24 papers which receive 24 citation and above. And if you realize, the hash index is not the same between a different platform. For example, like I show you right now, in Google Scholar, the hash index is 24, but if I go to Scopus, the hash index is 17. Why? Because it depending on the citation received within that population of the database. And most of the time, you're going to see that the hash index in Google Scholar is much higher as compared to Scopus and Web of Science because of the bigger population in Google Scholar. And in Google Scholar also, you're going to see they do provide with another metric, which is I10 index. It is actually the number of papers which receive 10 citation and above. So I-10 index is only available in Google Scholar. So I think that's all that you need to know about hash index. Thank you very much.